Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I am going to guide you through the process of creating an EDU email for free. EDU emails are highly valuable because they give you access to exclusive discounts, free trials, and other benefits for students. We will also discuss how you can set up a temporary email during this process. Follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do this. Depending on the platform or institution, some may ask for proof of enrollment, but not all do. You may also need a temporary email to manage the process, so we will create one first. To create a temporary email, open your web browser and go to a website that offers free temporary email services. Examples of these sites include Temp Mail, Gorilla Mail, or 10-Minute Mail. On the homepage, you will usually see a temporary email address already generated for you. Copy this email address and keep it handy. You can use it for registration or verification purposes without sharing your personal email. Next, search for community colleges or online educational platforms that provide free EDU email accounts. Many community colleges in the United States offer EDU emails when you sign up for their courses, even if they are non-credit or free courses. Open your web browser and search for free online courses offered by institutions that include student email accounts. Examples might include California community colleges or platforms partnered with educational institutions. Choose an institution or platform from your search results. Click on their registration or application link. Fill out the required information such as your name, date of birth, and address. For the email field, use your temporary email address if you do not want to use your primary one. Be honest when providing your details, as some institutions may verify your information. Once you complete the application, check your temporary email for a confirmation message. This might include a link to verify your email or login credentials for your new EDU account. Open the message and follow the instructions carefully. If required, set up a permanent password for your account. Make sure to write it down or save it securely. Log in to the institution's student portal using the credentials provided in the confirmation email. Navigate to the email section, which is often integrated into the student dashboard. Once logged in, send yourself a test email or try logging in to an external service that requires an EDU email to confirm it is working. Remember, some EDU email benefits might require you to be actively enrolled in a course, so consider signing up for free or inexpensive courses if needed. You can also try creating EDU email using the temporary email website. Just go to the website smailpro.com and scroll down to create temporary email. Click on the Change button and select the type of email you want to create and click on the Create button. It will now generate the EDU email, but remember, this email will work sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So consider the other method of getting an EDU email. That is the entire process of creating an EDU email for free and using a temporary email for registration. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.